Welcome. It's rainy day treasure hunters, and I got my new deep digging Iowa t-shirt in the mail today. Lanny promised me it would be good luck, and look what I just dug. I flipped it up. Let's dig it together. Just flipped up this, right? And I just brushed back this, and this is a old house on city, I'm gonna take my glove off, on city land. Ooh, let's dig this. I think it's a ring, and it looks like a big old stone. And this is I dug up a real nice compact too. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Okay, so I don't know if it's gold or not, but Lanny, thank you for the good luck charm shirt. Look at this. It looks like a big old vintage stone ring, so maybe just costume jewelry. It might even just be a kid's ring, but look at it, it's beautiful. It's a big old glass stone. Oh man. I'm gonna have to clean it up. Oops. Uh-oh, don't want to lose it. Yeah, it's just, I think it's just tin and glass, but a ring is a ring. This is beautiful. The old mine lab sniffing out these beautiful rings for my display cabinet. And I'm out here at a city house that's on city property, and I'm finding all kinds of cool stuff. So since I'm filming, let me go ahead and put the ring down. And I'm gonna take out, I found this clamshell compact. Now look at that cool design, okay? And I flip it open, and it still has the mirror intact. I'm gonna clean it up, and it has the flip still hinged where you take your pad or your powder. But look at this. Still has red in it, and I'm telling you, this is vintage yard in this house that I'm gonna have to go home for dinner, but I got some vacation, and I am coming back to do more of the yard, and do all these fruit trees. And oh my god, the mine lab is just awesome. From rainy day treasure hunters, keep swinging, keep digging. Yeah. All right, this will be a fun thing to post. Thank you.